Team is asking us to find which of the following is incorrect, and we've got 4 vectors and then the degrees associated with them. The easiest way for me to think through these is just with a sketch. So I'm going to draw the sketch for letter A, and here's my coordinate plane. I know that I'm going over 3, up 4, and so I'm just going to sketch a little right triangle from that. And if this distance is 3 and this distance is 4, the angle associated with that is a 53-degree angle, okay? So I guess the question becomes then, is this a legitimate statement? So what I would recommend is that we try to find out what the angle measure is. So the inverse sine of 4/3. And by the way, my first period geometry class, I told you this wrong the other day when I was teaching this to you. So I want you to notice that the way that I'm writing this is actually the best way to write this. So inverse sine, and that's going to give us our angle measure. So I'll call this theta. So this is the proper way to enter this into your calculator, which is also very intuitive, I hope. So when you enter this into your calculator, I think that you get 53 degrees, as I recall. So if that's true, then that means A is correct. Let's go on to B. And so we'll draw a little coordinate plane for that. That means we come over 7 and go up 2. So that means this distance is 7, this distance is 2. So the question becomes, is this degree measure right here 16 degrees? Well, again, we have, oh my, I'm just realizing here, this should be tangent. Yikes, my bad. Okay, so because it's, you know, opposite over adjacent, right? Okay, so here we have the inverse tangent of 2/7. So is the inverse tangent of 2/7 equal to 16 degrees? Okay, I think it is, as I recall. So that means that B is also correct. Well, let's keep going. Sometimes they let us have the correct answer right away. Not today, huh? Okay, so here's letter C. Let's draw another coordinate plane. This time we're going over 4 and up 7. So it's going to look something like this. Obviously, these are not to scale. And then our degree measure is 30 degrees. Okay, so some of you remember this 30-degree measure from the other day. But if you don't, let's just follow through with it here. Here's the tangent, inverse tangent of 7/4. So this is exactly what you can enter into your calculator to verify, because we're trying to find the angle measure. If the angle measure matches the 30 degrees, we're good. When you plug it into your calculator, you're going to discover that it is not 30 degrees. So which of the following is incorrect? It's letter C that is incorrect, okay?